Can a smaller investment really beat a bigger one? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. A 5000 rupee SIP can actually grow into more than a 10,000 rupee SIP if you start early. Curious? Let's break it down. Hi, in this video, I'll show you why time is the most powerful factor in investing, even more than money. By the end, you'll see how 5000 rupees today can beat 10,000 rupees tomorrow and what that means for your future wealth. In India, most people delay investing. We think I'll start when my salary increases. But compounding doesn't wait. The earlier you start, the more years your money gets to multiply. And those early years quietly do the heavy lifting. So why does 5000 rupees SIP often beat 10,000 rupees SIP? First, compounding works like a snowball. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Next, early years create invisible growth. You don't notice much in the first decade, but after 20-30 years, the curve explodes. Finally, a 10-year delay isn't just 10 years lost. It can cut your final wealth by more than half. Let's put numbers on this at 12% annual returns. Ramesh starts a 5000 rupees SIP at age 25. He invests for 35 years, total 21 lakh rupees. Final value around 3.24 crore. Suresh waits till 35, then invests 10,000 rupees per month. Over 25 years, he puts in 30 lakh rupees. Final value just 1.89 crore. So despite investing more per month and more in total, Suresh ends up with less. Why? Because he gave his money less time to grow. These numbers assume 12% annual returns, which is based on long-term averages of equity mutual funds. Actual results vary depending on the fund, risk profile, and markets. Always diversify, review your portfolio, and use a SIP calculator before planning. This is the story of so many Indian families. One friend starts small early, even if it means cutting back on an extra dinner out. The other keeps waiting for a bigger salary, a bonus, or the right time. But when retirement comes, the one who started earlier walks away with financial freedom, while the one who delayed is still playing catch-up. What about you? Are you a Ramesh or a Suresh? Tell me in the comments. So what should you do? Don't wait for a perfect salary. Start with whatever you can. 500, 1000, 5000, step it up. As your income rises, increase your SIPs gradually, automate it, set it and forget it, so discipline wins over excuses. Remember, every extra year acts like a booster rocket. It multiplies your money without you doing anything extra. Of course, starting later with a bigger amount is still better than not starting at all. But if you have the choice, starting today, even with a small amount, is the smartest financial decision you can make. So tell me, are you starting today or are you waiting for tomorrow? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this video gave you clarity, hit like, share it with a friend who's delaying their SIP, and subscribe for weekly money wisdom.